welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a very special Focus ST. It's actually one of our employees named Pierce. So we happen to throw one of our single-to-single universal kits on here. This thing sounds absolutely phenomenal. This still has the stock downpipe as well, but you still get huge flexibility when it comes to the valves open and close. We're gonna show you a bunch of sound clips today. We're gonna do revs, flybys, interior clips, hard accelerations. We're even gonna throw a GoPro on the rear bumper just so you guys know exactly what your Focus ST will sound like with our universal muffler kit. Let's get to the sound. Alrighty, so we're inside the Focus ST now. The valves are closed right now. Driving along, there's no drone, there's no unwanted frequencies. This car also has an intake as well, so when you have the valves closed, you're actually getting more intake noise than exhaust, which is really nice for a little turbo car like this. Get some nice turbo noises there. It's really nice. With the stock downpipe, you still get a lot of volume with our universal muffler as well, which I'll show you now. You open up the valves, it's a lot more dramatic in here. Just got the windows down a little bit, you can get some more sound. It's still not super crazy loud. It's not obnoxious by any means. I think it just has a nice refined sound.